Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your experience. Why did you go solar?
I went solar because I'm concerned about the environment, and I also went solar because I wanted to manage my electric bill. I figured the cost of power is only going to go up, and solar would be a good investment. And so I did a lot of research on different companies and landed on green solar, and everything's been working out like exactly the way that we kind of planned it. And so, yeah, I have solars on my roof right now, and I've had them for about 2 years, and my electric bill has been coming down, and I'm very happy with the decision.
That's amazing. So you would say you're having a great experience so far.
Yeah, everything is worked out. I mean, it's really low maintenance. I don't really have to do anything. My power bill is basically nothing for about half the year, and then I get a small power bill for a portion of the year when the demand is really high. But no, it's all working out great. The way it was explained to me is how it's been working out.
Perfect. So in that case, would you recommend anyone to go with Green Home System?
I would strongly recommend to go with Green Home Systems. They have honored everything that they said that they would do. We did the installation. It was a little bit of a rush order because I was trying to take advantage of a tax credit, and they were able to honor that. And I took advantage of the tax credit that was available at that time. And so, yes, their customer service, the follow up has been good. The installation was on time. So, yes, I'm very happy with everything.
That's awesome. 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 Well, I appreciate your time today, and I think you did a great testimonial.
Thank you. And if anyone has any questions or ever needs to reach out to a former customer, or I guess a current customer, because I still have the panels, they can reach out to me. So thank you.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time today.